join me. So this video is about my tarot deck, Sacred Call of the Ancestors. And this tarot deck is 78 paintings that were put into the form of tarot cards. I'm going to show you some more of the artwork, but right now this is just a preview. I'll get into how I made the tarot deck. I'll get into the size of the tarot deck. I'll get into all kinds of things in my tutorial. I do look forward to showing you more, depending on how many people would like a deck like this, with this type of artwork in it. Again, my name is Queen Sarita. I'm the artist. I really channeled this with the assistance of spirit. There's a lot of symbols in here. There's a lot of messages, encouragement, healing, holistic vibrations, and all that good stuff. And I feel like it's the perfect time for it to come out with all this going on. The deck was officially completed on the winter solstice of 2020. And this is really powerful. The deck's been energized with the elements, earth, air, fire, and water. And if you would like prints, copies of the artwork, they're available as well. Well, let me show you some more of the artwork. And thank you so much for staying tuned. And like I said, if you're interested in an art tutorial and how I make my tarot decks, how I put it together, how I catch that vibration, the energy, how do I keep going, how did I get it done? What's my technique and stuff like that, then we'll be talking about that. And I'll be doing some classes on the artwork and everything too. All right? Much love and peace. We just got approved on Kickstarter. Oh, I'm so ready to get these cards out to you. All I know is this is neat. Oh, I'm going to tell you about a project so very sweet. Are you with me? Are you with me? Sacred Call of the Ancestors. Sacred Call of the Ancestors. Who am I? Enough about me for now. I will tell you about Sacred Call of the Ancestors and what exactly this is. Welcome to a new Cosmic Starseed Angelic Tarot Deck and enchanting 78 card tarot deck with a matching guidebook, and created by the intuitive artist Queen Sarita, me, and an honorable ancestor celebration in the form of 78 intuitively hand-painted tarot cards, okay? These 78 hand-drawn, beautifully illustrated cards in this deck will allow you to experience some inspiration, assistance in all areas of your life. These unique cards will allow you to tap into the loving assistance and power of the 6 ancestral intergalactic starseed family spirit guides. Use these tarot cards to allow the angelic spirit guides and ancestors from the stars to help you to develop a deeper intuitive awareness in the most important areas of your life. Use the cards to tap into your higher self, which is also known as the cosmic intelligence within you as well. And use these tarot cards to gain emotional support and direction and clarity and inner wisdom and understanding, along with the authentic intuitive insights. Each day, open your mind and wisdom in all aspects of your life, including health, family, prosperity, career, wellness, beliefs, relationships, both in love and in business matters, your life path, past life, as well as in spiritual power. Okay? Also, Black, African, metaphysical, spiritual, ancestral, ancient, indigenous, This tarot deck will be available via Kickstarter, and that's where I can use your help, all your support. If you are really wanting to see this deck out in the world, if you're wanting to have a copy of it, then support this Kickstarter campaign. This way I can get the deck to more people without having to come out of pocket for so much in shipping fees and all that. But I look forward to sharing it with you. Peace and much love, y'all.